It's the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday, the 11th of July. I'm James Spann. Some really good rain falling across the state today, and the weather looks fairly wet for at least one more day. Let's take a look at some of the Skycam shots around the network. These were captured at mid-afternoon. Rain falling at Tuscaloosa. Not the really gusty winds they had yesterday that knocked down trees and power lines, just a good rain. Pretty much the same scene down at Demopolis as we overlook the Tombigbee River, as seen from the Skycam at the Civic Center there. And how about Decatur? Their high today is, of this moment when I do this update about 3 o'clock, 73 degrees. That's 20 below average for mid-July. And we'll take that all day. And again, they've had a good, gentle, steady rain basically falling all day up there. All right, same setup today. The heat is way out west. They're baking in Las Vegas. Around here, lots of moisture, colder air aloft, a stalled surface boundary north of here. And that's setting up these showers and storms that are quite numerous. Here's the radar at 2:38. You can see the heavy rain that came through Tuscaloosa approaching Birmingham at that point. And there's more back over Mississippi, and it just keeps on coming. And we'll take that. Severe weather, I don't think we have any tonight. There's a slight risk east of here through parts of Georgia and South Carolina, but the air in Alabama is quite stable. So there could be some thunder and maybe some gusty winds, but severe weather, very unlikely. In fact, there's a look at the convection to the visible satellite shot. Always love to see those at mid-afternoon. Some sun for East Alabama, but that big rain mass to the west is moving east. And tomorrow's severe weather outlook, just the low-end 5% probabilities. But this is the map that sure looks good for a parched southeast United States. And like we've talked about for days, you rarely see maps like that unless there is a tropical storm or a hurricane involved. Just fantastic. The bullseye, 4.7 inches around the shoals, amounts down this way between 2 and 3 inches. Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Anniston, Gadsden, and that's valid through Monday morning of next week. Tropics quiet in the Atlantic Basin. There's some activity in the Pacific, but even that is not going to affect any landmass. We'll check the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid at 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon at 500 millibars. Still got that weakness aloft here, a little vortex north of us, and again, looks kind of wet. Showers and thunderstorms are likely, much like today. A lot of clouds around, and we never see 90. The GFS has 85. The NAM has 84. Yeah. Friday, same deal, scattered to numerous showers and storms. Upper 80s are likely. And Saturday, as we start the weekend, heights coming up a little bit, but even then, the GFS is showing 89 with a pretty decent chance of showers and storms. And then Sunday, things begin to thin out. We heat up a little bit with low 90s. Storms become fairly scattered. And there's Monday of next week. The heights are up a little bit. The core of the westerlies up north. And down below that, looks like a typical summer day. Partly sunny with a chance of an afternoon storm in spots. We might see mid-90s. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. Again, nothing out of the ordinary. Low to mid-90s with scattered, mostly afternoon storms. We'll check the end of the forecast. Amazing consistency in the GFS with the idea of an eastern trough. And if that's the case, heat won't be too bad. We'll be dealing with at least scattered showers and storms, and maybe numerous at times if a surface boundary gets down here like the one we have now. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. Notes on the blog, of course, and the next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Don't forget to watch us on ABC 3340 News on the live stream or the television side at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Weather.